Your video is shot, the edit is tight, the sound is perfect. But does it have a mood? Does it have a soul? Color is the single most powerful tool for transforming the feeling of your video. Welcome to episode 5 of the CapCut Master. Today, you will learn to paint with color, moving beyond simple edits to create a true visual identity for your work. Section 1. The fast method. Let's start with the quickest way to change your look. Filters. Think of these as PI-made color recipes. They are excellent for speed and achieving a consistent style. Select a clip and tap filters. CapCut gives you a huge library sorted by style. You can find looks for any situation, from a natural light filter to a stylized movies filter. Simply tap a filter, preview it on your clip. But here is the most important step. Never leave a filter at 100%. It often looks too aggressive. The key to a professional look is subtle. Pull this intensity slider back to somewhere between 30 and 60%. This blends the filter's color with your original footage for a much more natural grade. If you want this same look across your entire video, use the Apply to All button. It's a massive time saver for creating a cohesive style. Section 2. Full control manual adjustments. Filters are fast, but for a truly unique look, you need manual control. This is where you become the artist. Let's open the Adjust panel. We'll start with the fundamentals. Brightness controls the overall exposure. Contrast controls the difference between your lights and dark, adding punch, and saturation controls the intensity of all colors. Next, for polish, highlights let you control only the brightest parts of your image. If your sky is too bright, pull this down to recover detail. Shadows controls the darkest part. Lifting them can create a softer, faded film look. Now for the secret weapon of color grading, HSL. This stands for hue, saturation, and luminance. It allows you to select and modify a single color without affecting the rest of the image. With HSL, you can make skies pop, enrich foliage, or perfect skin tones. It is the most powerful color tool in CapCut. Section 3. The professional workflow filters as LUTs. So, how do the pros combine these tools? They use a two-step process: correction, then grading. You can replicate this in CapCut by using filters as LUT. A LUT, or lookup table, is a professional color preset. While CapCut Mobile doesn't import external LUT, we can use its filters in the same way. First, perform basic corrections. Then, apply a stylistic filter at low intensity. Section 4. Recipe for a cinematic look. Let's put everything together to create the popular cinematic look. Follow this for-step recipe. Step 1. Set the aspect ratio. A wider format like 2:35:1 instantly signals a cinematic feel. Step 2. Correct your image. Allow the highlights to retain detail and slightly lift the shadows for that soft filmic base. Step 3. Create the teal and orange look using HSL. Nudge your blues toward teal and your oranges to be a bit richer. This is the most popular color palette in modern cinema. Finally, step 4. Add a touch of film grain. Don't overdo it. A little grain adds texture and completes the illusion of film. And there it is. Let's do a quick recap of the color grading approaches. And here's a bonus tip for getting your colors right from the start. If your footage looks too blue or too yellow, your white balance is off. Use the temperature slider in the Adjust panel. A tiny shift can fix your white balance and make your colors look instantly more natural. It's often the very first adjustment you should make. You now have the tools and techniques to color grade like a pro. If this video helped you unlock your inner artist, show your support by hitting the like button. It helps others discover this masterclass. Be sure to subscribe and activate notifications. In episode 6, we'll bring our videos to life with motion, exploring the power of keyframes and advanced video effects. You don't want to miss it. Keep creating, and we'll see you in the next one.